zawatihi bandera bulbabki girma haderihi Vietnam batihu da hai fishtahi Sinit simki you fikri raikhi With your parents' blessings, you stepped out from home. Cloaked in our flag, you carry our glory wherever you roam. Your radiant smile has reached the heart of Vietnam. Sinit is your name and love is your vision song. Sinit gwal erey, lukhti habna ambassador. Bandera hiski, wakil ki hagar. Hilbanti gwal erey, bibahli bamgagbar. Awati khunal ki, Sinit sadal hagar. Sinit, daughter of Erit, our ambassador of pride, representing our nation with the flag by your side. Our dignified daughter, through culture and grace, may victory be yours. Sinit, the globe our place. Savatahi terai, iconem zinachi, migbar nai hizbachi, tachadinu gatski. Hai marut bahlachi, watrut akhbri. Ambassador erey, khoin ki tanavri. It is not just your beauty that brings you this fame, but the spirit of your people that shines in your name, honoring your faith and the roots of your land. As Erit's true ambassador, you firmly stand. The title fi khamshi mogos manatki,